Alright guys, don't have much time to explain. I'm playing Cheller. The game starts without warning. Never mind. There's that Commodore 64 rule. You have to switch the ports. Yeah, okay. And I gotta start over because even one mistake is too much in this game. You recognize that music though? So I got really confused. Hold on, I gotta reload it first. Move the boy around the forest, collecting the blue magic crosses. So yeah, you get the blue magic crosses. Touching enemies makes your energy level go down. Touching good mushrooms makes you heal. Existing or moving costs you energy, so you have to be careful about that. But yeah, absolutely, this is a ouch, dang it. Look how much damage one freaking spider did. This is so brutal. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna give this game a cup. Oh gosh, got a poison mushroom this time. Alright, get some of these good mushrooms. Yeah, there's a message scrawled in blood. And there's no healing in this level, so you just want to get your blue crosses as fast as you can. Let's see. Drop down the middle. Ouch, popcorn hurts. I think it's popcorn, I don't know. I love how I'm just jumping on people's heads though. Well, I'm a little bit confused because on the movie screen is the previous level. So apparently I just came out of the movie. It's a ghetto, save your energy, you'll need it. Yeah. Oh, there's my Devin making noise. Oh boy. Oh gosh. I don't know what's going on in this ghetto. Kind of weird monsters. Like, ouch, bird. And how do I avoid that? Poison mushroom? Answer, no you don't. Oh, a bird gets me mid-air. Okay, oh god. Yep, even that little touch caught me. Ugh. Alright, and then once you get into the red, it's a death spiral because your guy starts moving super slow. Oh, yeah. You can't even, like, jump anymore. Look how slow he goes. So, definitely I failed. Game over. Yeah, so I originally loaded up this game and I did not recognize the music at all. I was like, what the heck? And then I noticed it was version 2.0. So apparently they probably got like a cease and desist letter from the Michael Jackson estate or something. So, all right, I'm gonna try it one more time. I at least want to get to the last level. And yeah, like I said, stupid mushrooms. Like you just cannot get hit by anything. Like that spider that hit me the first time is too much. But you also need to save some mushrooms because you have to play all the levels again in reverse. So that's a thing. Just take the hit from the poison mushroom, I guess. Wouldn't be quite as bad. quite as bad if you didn't lose energy just from, like, existing. But, yeah, it was just getting hit by enemies that hurt. To me, that would be a better game. And apparently my version of the game doesn't have any cheat codes for it, so that's disappointing. Ouch. Yeah, I mean, even at full speed, your guy is way too dang slow. Okay, the ghetto. Now, just to make things more confusing, so this is Chiller, which is obviously a play off of Michael Jackson's Thriller, which is why we're hearing that music. There is another game called Chiller that is a very graphic light gun game, where you're like blowing body parts off of people and stuff. Oh, I didn't even see those poison mushrooms. Okay, I'm doing much better. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna say the controls in this game are good, because they're not. Alright, the graveyard. The midnight hour is close at hand. Your death awaits in this evil land. I wonder if they changed the text in the revised version. Oh, jeez. Like, I'm just like brute forcing my way through because there's just too many things flying at me. I guess if I looked at the patterns of the enemies, it'd be easier. Oh, right through my head. Whatever the heck that thing is. Doesn't seem to have a very good pattern. Oh, I missed. Well, that sucks. Oh, and then I eat a poison mushroom. Yeah, so if I hadn't missed, I might have beat the level, but I missed. Land on the enemy. Blah. Okay. Why is this thing acting like it's not picking up my audio properly? I'm going to pause and see if it's picking up audio, because otherwise I just waste a bunch of time. Okay, yeah, seems like my audio is working correctly. I just get nervous because I've had so much trouble with the audio lately. I just changed a setting on my microphone. I think it's going to make me sound less whatever, but I should also turn the volume down a little bit in the real thing. There. Okay. Let's give it another try or two. Rescue your girlfriend from the haunted house and return to your car. So yeah, you really have to leave the first level with like full health, really. And then just never get hit by any enemies in the other levels. Ugh. And this guy's controls are not that good. His jump is up, and then you have no control over him once he jumps. So if he decides to jump straight up instead of like to the right, I mean, that's it. Ooh, got past that mushroom without taking a hit this time. Oops, not that one. Yeah. Let's get this. Oops. Alright, back to the cinema. Yeah, this level's not hard, really. It's just here to drain some of your energy, because there's no mushrooms to be had anywhere. Ouch. And it's not like your guy's fast enough to dodge anything, really. Alright, the ghetto. I don't see any way to get past that poison mushroom. Jump. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Ah, fudge. Missed the stupid window ledge. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I'd like to see a cheat for this game where you just don't lose energy from moving. I think that would be fair. Also, what the heck are all these weird creatures flying around? They just look like weird mutant birds. Oh, Lord. Okay, so, like... Oh, the crawling cat baby. I'm already dead. Gosh, just barely grazing these guys just murders you. Ugh. I hate to say it, but have to just go ahead and do a save state run just to see, you know, what it takes to actually win at this game. Controls are not great, I'll tell you that much. You know, I think I am going to do a save state run, just because the margin for error is so bad, so narrow. Alright, now remember how to save state. Okay, so it's free saving. Wait, what? But then I closed my emulator. Yeah, that didn't do anything. That's his squat. Okay. So, for some reason, trying to save state in the newer version of the simulator just crashed it, so I went back to my old stable version of it. So here we go. I should pay attention to what hotkey is save state. Alright, so we're going to do a save state run. I think I mentioned before, so my dad pirated a bunch of Commodore 64 games, and he would, since most games did not take the... Nope. 3 poison mushrooms, just kill me, Mr. Spider Dude. since most games didn't actually take the full space of a disc, whoever my dad was pirating Commodore 64 games with, they would just make like discs with like somewhere between 4 to 10 games on them. And so I mentally associate a lot of games with whatever else was on that disc that my dad put them on. Quick save is F12. Yep, alrighty. Let's do F11 then, would be the quick load. So in my brain, Chiller exists right next to this really bad cowboy game called High Noon, which I'm gonna have to play at some point. Basically, you're like a sheriff of this Old West town, and these bad guys, bandits, start coming and stealing money and women, and you gotta stop them, but the controls are not good. I'll play that sometime, see if as a grown-up I can be any better at it, but okay. Doing a little bit better. Okay, it's pretty close to full health, so I think we will save this game. Pre-saved. There's a message scrawled in blood. I gotta read all these. Ouch. Gotta read all these like in a Vincent. Ouch! Stop. Gotta read all these in a Vincent Price kind of voice. I'm a little neurodivergent, if you haven't noticed, and one of the things I do, I get a little fixated on certain things. So there was a time period in my life that I was obsessed with Vincent Price and like watching all his movies. Mostly because his voice is so good. Yeah, I don't know why. Ugh. There's so many like cheap hits that are like impossible to get. Like that poison mushroom. There's no way not to get poison mushroom right there. Do 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 do. I think there's a limit to sprites on the screen at a time, so one thing you can do to minimize damage is wait till there's already 2 birds and then make a run for it. Okay. This is gonna be a moment. It's gonna be a case of like the poison mushrooms aren't as bad as getting hit by the enemy, so pick your poison. Pun not originally intended, but I guess that works. Okay. So I do know that I missed last time. Let's try to go that way. Oh, crud. I'm down here. Oh my gosh. Looks like I have to fall down? Ag. Alright, we're gonna say good enough. The girlfriend you're searching for when you have the crisis she'll appear by the door. Look at this! Cheap shot. Right off the bat. It's like, can I even find any sort of refuge? Okay, I'm gonna load up on these mushrooms though, because this is the final level before we repeat. Oh gosh, skeleton. Can I get through without getting poisoned? Yay! What is up with my score? Did I really only have 400 score? Apparently you don't get any from doing things. You have to pick up whatever those things are. Okay. I don't know why I jumped over that. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and save here. Both boy and girl must turn around because your quest is homeward bound. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, no. See, the boy took damage even though he's not active. So imagine you get this far. You get this far and then you just die right away because you don't realize that you gotta protect both characters. Let's see, is she safe at the door at least? I think she is. Oh, no, she's not safe at the door. Ugh, okay. We're gonna go ahead and load then. Save right here, so I don't have to finish that level again. What? Yeah, so how is this fair? Look at this, I'm already freaking dead. Think I'm safe down there? Oh, I can't even imagine doing the other levels. And look, all the mushrooms are gone. How quickly the ghost appears is not consistent, and that sucks. There's no way, I'm already down in the yellow. And I'm using up energy with both of these stupid people. Oh. I'm dead. Yep. Okay. The platforming in this game is pretty infuriating. I can't get through that cross because it's not my color cross. Yeah. Oh, freaking poison mushroom. Yeah, I think walking does less damage than jumping. Gonna save now, and I learned from the last one, so I ended up saving on a RNG cycle where the ghost automatically gets me right away. So by now your energy must be low, so find a mushroom before you slow. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So right off the bat, girl falls through and gets hit by a monster. Like, I gotta go find some safe area for her, and I don't know how. Oh, and he's dead. Yeah, look at this. Death spiral. If I'm in red, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna try a couple times, but I think that's it. I think this game is just nearly impossible. Oh, yeah, boy got hit. Oh, and you got a mushroom. I almost heard a swear word come out my mouth. So, when I was a kid, I never even got to the girl. Just so you know. Didn't even know that was part of the game until I was a grown-up. And then, of course, I never could get past, like, here. How am I supposed to keep both of them alive when there's just crap flying everywhere? Alright. I think this is about it for me. This is ridiculous. Look at that. There's nothing I can do if the enemy just spawns right on top of me before I can get my people into a safe place. Freaking poison mushroom. I'm already red. Well, someday I'm gonna beat this stupid game, but it's not today. Mushroom, monster, dead. Oh my god. Yeah, they needed to workshop this a little bit more, I think. Not just base the game around ripping off Michael Jackson. I even pressed the button and it went switch to the boy. Oh, I can't even hide on top of the church because I get hit by monsters up there. And apparently my score is 800, whatever that means. Yeah, I'm done. Oh my gosh, this game. Like I said, workshop the game. Don't just base around ripping off Michael Jackson, okay? Like, and then you lose the song because version 2 they didn't have it anymore. So what even is the game? It's just a bad game of a boy walking around slowly collecting crosses and dying. Okay, I'm done. I'll find a game lesson for reading for next time.